The truth about AI replacing junior developers. Can artificial intelligence really replace junior developers? AI has transformed many industries, raising questions about its potential to replace human roles, including junior developers. This video explores whether AI can truly take over these positions and what the future holds. Let's dive in. Or AI, involves machines mimicking human intelligence to perform tasks. These tasks range from simple calculations to complex problem solving. Understanding AI's capabilities is crucial to evaluating its potential impact on junior developers' roles. Junior developers typically handle tasks like writing basic code, debugging, and maintaining software. They often work under senior developers' guidance, gaining experience and skills. Their role is foundational yet essential in any software development team. AI tools are already making their mark in coding. Examples include GitHub Copilot, which suggests code snippets, and DeepCode, which identifies bugs. These tools demonstrate AI's potential to support and enhance the coding process. Let's look at a real-world example. OpenAI's Codex has been integrated into various platforms to assist developers. Companies using such AI tools report increased efficiency and reduced error rates, showcasing the tangible benefits of AI in software development. Highlighting a company using AI to assist in coding, let's look at GitHub Copilot. This AI tool, developed by GitHub in collaboration with OpenAI, helps developers by suggesting code snippets and completing lines of code in real time. AI can significantly boost productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Junior developers benefit by spending less time on boilerplate code, allowing them to focus on more complex problems that require human creativity and critical thinking. Error reduction is another major advantage AI brings to the table. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, AI tools can detect and correct errors early in the development process, ensuring cleaner, more reliable code. AI can also accelerate the learning curve for junior developers. By providing instant feedback and code suggestions, AI tools function like a digital mentor, helping new developers quickly grasp best practices and coding standards. Despite the rise of AI, the demand for junior developers remains strong. Current job market data shows that companies still value human developers for their unique problem-solving abilities and adaptability, skills that AI has yet to fully emulate. Industry leaders have differing views on AI replacing developers. Some see AI as a tool for enhancing productivity, while others believe that the human touch in coding is irreplaceable. The debate continues as technology advances. AI, despite its capabilities, has limitations. It struggles with tasks requiring deep understanding and creativity. Complex problem-solving and innovative solutions still rely heavily on human intuition. AI's role is more complementary than replacement. Human creativity is essential in coding. Developers often think outside the box, creating unique solutions and innovations. AI lacks the ability to ideate and conceptualize abstract solutions, making human creativity an indispensable part of software development. The ethical implications of AI replacing jobs are significant. It raises concerns about job displacement and economic inequality. Balancing technological advancement with job security is crucial to ensure a fair and inclusive future for all workers. Today's AI capabilities are impressive but limited. AI excels in repetitive tasks and data analysis but struggles with nuanced decision-making. While AI can assist in coding, it cannot fully replicate the expertise and intuition of a human developer. Industry predictions suggest that AI will increasingly take on repetitive coding tasks, allowing junior developers to focus on more complex problem-solving and creative work. This shift could lead to a more efficient and innovative software development process. As AI becomes more integrated into the development workflow, junior developers will need to adapt by learning new skills, such as AI tool management and advanced problem-solving techniques. This evolution will be crucial for staying competitive in the job market. AI is expected to enhance, not replace, developers by automating mundane tasks and providing intelligent code suggestions. This symbiotic relationship will enable developers to work more efficiently and concentrate on strategic, high-level tasks. Educational institutions are beginning to incorporate AI and machine learning into their curricula to prepare students for this evolving landscape. These changes aim to equip future developers with the skills necessary to thrive alongside AI technologies. Coding bootcamps are also adapting by offering courses that focus on AI integration and machine learning. These programs aim to provide practical, hands-on experience with the latest AI tools, ensuring that graduates are ready for the modern workforce. AI and human problem-solving differ significantly in approach and results. AI processes data at high speeds, identifying patterns humans might miss. However, human intuition and creativity are crucial for innovative solutions, making a balanced partnership essential. Hands-on tasks still requiring human intervention include complex decision-making, nuanced design, and interpersonal communication. While AI can handle repetitive tasks, it lacks the emotional intelligence and contextual understanding necessary for these more intricate responsibilities. Developer communities offer valuable insights into AI integration. Polls and discussions reveal mixed feelings. Some developers embrace AI as a collaborative tool, while others fear job displacement. This ongoing dialogue shapes the future of development. Popular AI development tools include GitHub Copilot, Tabnine, and Kite. These tools assist in code completion, error detection, and debugging, helping developers write cleaner code faster. Understanding these tools is essential for modern software development. Coding bootcamps now incorporate AI integration into their curricula. They teach students how to leverage AI tools for various tasks, preparing them for the evolving job market. This ensures graduates are well equipped for future development challenges. AI is transforming open source development by automating repetitive tasks, allowing developers to focus on innovation. AI-driven tools can analyze vast amounts of code, suggesting improvements and identifying potential vulnerabilities, thus enhancing the overall quality of open source projects. In software testing and QA, AI accelerates processes by automating test case generation and execution. This ensures more thorough testing in less time, catching bugs early and reducing human error, leading to more robust and reliable software releases. AI enhances team collaboration by providing intelligent project management tools. These tools can predict project timelines, allocate resources efficiently, and facilitate seamless communication among team members, ensuring that development projects stay on track and within budget. Scalability in development projects is crucial, and AI plays a pivotal role here. By managing large datasets and complex computations effortlessly, AI enables developers to scale applications efficiently, handling increased user loads without compromising performance or user experience. Engage with the community by encouraging viewers to share their thoughts on AI and junior developers. This interaction fosters a collaborative environment where diverse opinions can be shared, enriching the discussion and providing valuable insights into the future of AI in development. The integration of AI in the coding world is transforming how we approach development tasks. AI-driven tools streamline workflows, making processes more efficient and reducing errors, yet they still require human oversight to ensure creativity and nuanced decision-making. AI can significantly enhance scalability by managing repetitive tasks and analyzing vast amounts of data swiftly. This allows developers to focus on more complex problems, facilitating the handling of large-scale projects with greater ease and precision. We have come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your comments about your thoughts on this video. Also, please like this video, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more AI updates. See you in our next video.